Hey guys, welcome back. I am here to share another video, and it is actually a hair video, and I decided to film a sort of versus battle between two very popular protein treatments. So if you are interested in this video, just keep watching. Alright guys, you already know the drill. Before we even start, give me a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I am uploading videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, as always, I absolutely love and appreciate you for coming back and watching another video of mine. I love you. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into this hair video. Alright guys, so another wash day has rolled around yet again. This time I waited about 10 days or so to wash my hair from my last wash day, which I shared with you guys when I was trying the oh so expensive deep conditioner from Christoph Robin. So this time I actually wanted to film my wash day again, and I'm committed to filming each wash day and trying something different and showing you guys. I wanted to film a wash day and, you know, use a protein treatment, but I wanted to actually use my favorite protein treatment, which is, you guys already know, my favorite protein treatment is the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. Amazing. I love this. This is always in my hair care drawer. I always have it on deck, always have it stocked. But I wanted to film using that, but I thought, you know what? Olaplex is an expensive brand. It's considered more of almost like a salon sort of professional brand. I wanted to try something more affordable and see how it compared to the Olaplex, because not everyone wants to invest that much money in hair care products, but they want something that works. So I decided to, you know, pair it with or put it up against the Apogee 2-minute Reconstructor. So the Apogee Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor is very similar to this. They're both hair treatments. They're not considered deep conditioners. These are treatment steps. So you are not using this as a conditioner step. You're actually using it before your deep conditioner as an additional step and as an additional treatment, a protein treatment. So they're similar in that way. They also are very similar in how they act and what they're supposed to do to your hair. So I thought these were the perfect sort of products to do together to show you the difference, you know, and see if, you know, something as expensive as the Olaplex No. 3 is necessary, or could you just use something like Aphogee, which is very affordable, and get these same results to your hair. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and just get into this, and let's talk more about these products specifically. I'm going to talk about the Olaplex product first, because you guys know this is This is my baby. I love this. So Olaplex is a pretty sort of minimalist, luxury hair care brand. They are really concerned about sustainability and things like that. So you notice their packaging is very simple and to the point, which I really like. It makes it look really aesthetically pleasing. So this is something you could definitely put out. This is very Instagrammable. Not only that, the product really works, and they have a very loyal following. I also love that Olaplex is geared towards so many different hair types and textures, so, you know, anyone can use it. Anyone who has from really pin straight, silky, you know, corn silk blonde hair to very coily, thicker hair, you can use it. So it doesn't matter your hair type or anything like that. You can definitely use Olaplex, because Olaplex is more concerned with rebuilding and strengthening your hair, and everyone can use a little bit of that. Olaplex is also known for not using so much oils in their actual products. A lot of hair care brands have a lot of added oils and stuff. Olaplex doesn't have a ton of oil added into their formulas, which is nice, making it pretty lightweight for people who have really thin hair. Like I mentioned, Olaplex is concerned about sustainability, so they are actually, I have it written here, they are pH balanced, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, nut-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, phosphate-free, and sulfate-free. So if you are concerned about using something that's a little bit more clean, this is definitely a really good brand. So Olaplex has a bunch of different products in their line. No. 3 is probably one of their most popular products. Is a protein treatment. It's a treatment like an additional step. So how Olaplex actually works, they have this really powerhouse ingredient that works to build bonds in your hair. I'm going to see if I can pronounce it. It is bis-aminopropyl diglycol don't even know what this is, dimylate, bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimalate. Anyway, it is a bond builder, and what it does, it protects the hair and repairs the bonds in the hair. So our hair has something called disulphide bonds, and that is actually what strengthens our hair, keeps our hair together, and that's why people use protein treatments, because protein can repair those bonds because the bonds are made of protein. So this product actually is known to build those bonds back up in your hair, and a lot of different products that they have in this line have that ingredient that helps to build your hair. Now, because it has that ingredient, they don't have a ton of silicones and things like that in there to kind of give you the feeling of strength. That actual product is really effective, and I think that's probably why this product is a little bit more expensive. The technology behind it is great. The ingredient list on this is shorter than the ingredient list for the Apogee product, but it does have preservatives and it does have chemicals in it, just like the Apogee. I'm not trying to say this is better in any way, I just want to give you the facts about it. So with the Olaplex, you can get two different sizes. This is the limited edition bonus size. This size is $56. I know, $56. You get 8.5 ounces for $56. I will say you don't need a lot of this product. It's expensive. The normal size is about half the size for $28. So if you want to try it, I really recommend getting the smaller size, which is $28 for 100 mils, which is about 3.3 ounces. So if you want to try this, I would recommend obviously going with the smaller one. I get the larger one because I know that I love this. My hair loves it and it works. So this is a much better value. Alright guys, so that is all of the information about the Olaplex. So let's go ahead and jump into Apogee. So Apogee has been around forever. I used to use this as a teenager and as a young adult, and I still use it as an adult. This is a well-known product that you can find at the beauty supply store at Sally's. It is very, very saturated. You can find it mostly anywhere. You can order it online, Amazon, and that's why this product is really good, because it's really accessible, it's affordable, and it's actually a really nice product to help repair your hair and add protein into your hair. So Apogee. So Apogee actually uses a concentrated blend of botanical oils and amino acid to strengthen your hair. So this one is adding protein into your hair. It's sort of doing the same thing as the Olaplex, but in a different way. This is supposed to also help with like frizz and adding moisture into your hair. This is great for people who have damaged hair, lightly damaged hair from chemicals and things like that. They do have a much stronger treatment, which is the two-step protein treatment. I don't recommend using that. That is a very heavy protein treatment, and that is for extreme damage. This is good enough, I think, to use once a week, once every other week, maybe once a month if you don't have a lot of damage. I really, really like this. So some ingredients that I want to call out in this, it has hydrolyzed protein in it. It also has avocado oil, wheat germ oil, hydrolyzed keratin, collagen amino acids, squalene, linoleic acid, and it does have fragrance. The Olaplex also has fragrance. They both have fragrance in them. I don't mind fragrance in my hair products. I actually prefer it because I like my hair to smell good. But yeah. The only concern about this product is that it does carry silicones, or it does contain silicones, mineral oil, and it also has an ingredient called demi-permanent. I believe it's how you pronounce it. Not great at pronouncing these chemicals, but what DM does is it over time releases a small amount of formaldehyde into the product through its shelf life. So this product does contain formaldehyde, which is a big concern for a lot of people, because there's a ton of research that you can look up yourself about formaldehyde and beauty products, but it's no good. Because I don't use this quite often, I don't find that it is something I would worry about, but if you are concerned about that, it does contain that ingredient. So, like, if I were pregnant right now or trying for a child, I would definitely not be using this, just because I would be really careful, and I would probably be a little bit more hyper aware of what I'm using. But as I am not pregnant and not trying for a child right now, this is fine to use for me. Now you can get a couple different sizes of this as well. This is the 8 ounce size, or 237 mils. So this and the Olaplex are about the same size, but the Olaplex in the 8 ounce size is $56. This in the 8 ounce size is $8. Huge price jump. You can also get a 16 ounce size for this, and that can range you, if you find on the internet, from about $14 to $20, depending on where you buy it from. And that's a good thing about Apogee, is that you can really find this on Amazon or different retailers. If you do research on, if you put it into Google, you can find so many different retailers that carry it for different prices, so you can really get this for a good deal. Alright guys, so for my comparison, obviously this is more cost effective. The smell. So they actually smell quite similar. The Apogee has a little bit of a heavier coconutty smell. To me, it's a creamier smell. The Olaplex has a little bit less of that and a little bit more of a salon smell. If you guys use salon products, you know what I mean. It has a little bit more of a luxury fragrance smell to it, but they have pretty similar smells. The texture is also extremely similar. They're kind of a light creamy texture. So when I was putting it in my hair, I noticed that the texture was really, really, really similar. The Apogee, because it does contain more oils in it and silicones, when you put it on, you're going to notice that it feels a little bit more slippery, a little bit heavier, and it coats the hair. It feels like it coats the hair a little bit more. So yeah, the textures are quite similar. But let's get down to how I feel my hair feels. So this is the side with the Olaplex, and this is the side with the Apogee. Most people will say, there is no real difference. Like, they both look good, The only thing I notice, and I know my hair, is that the Olaplex side is much more sleek. I use the same exact products besides the protein treatments, obviously, because I wanted to keep everything the same. And this side is sleeker. It feels much more, I don't know, it feels stronger. This side feels a little bit more fluffy. It does also feel soft, but I know that's probably because it has the silicones in it. Really, if I had to say, they're both really, really good. You can take the, pros and cons however you would want. So if you are ingredient, focused, and you really love sustainability, you love salon brands, go with the Olaplex. I love it. It's my holy grail. If you want to save a buck, you want something that has value in it, but gives you that strength and rebuilds the protein in your hair, this is good. It has good products in it. It has good ingredients. It has good ingredients in it. It does have a few naughty ingredients in it as well, but I don't think it's that bad to where you can just not use it unless you are against those ingredients. I know people who just don't use silicones, don't use sulfates. They don't want to put anything, that may have formaldehyde in their hair. I like this product. I've been using it for years as a teenager. So I would say, if you are on a budget, or if you're just getting into your hair journey and you want to start using hair products, you want a protein treatment that's not going to break the bank, and you want to spend, invest more maybe in styling products, this is definitely really, really good. Just for me, where I am in my life, what I prefer the Olaplex because of the ingredients, because my hair feels much better. I just really, really like this. Will I stop using this? Absolutely not. There's a place for this in my routine. If there's a day where I just don't feel like spending money on this, I will use this, or, vice versa. If I don't want to use my Olaplex, I will use my Apogee. I think this is a really great product. And at the end of the day, if I were recommending the two, I would definitely recommend the Olaplex in the smaller size to start out with. If someone was like, I'm just not going to be able to do that, get the Apogee. It's really, really good. I do say the Olaplex wins, but that's just my thoughts. You guys might think differently from me. Let me know down below in a comment. But yeah, my hair looks good either way on both sides. My hair feels strong and silky and shiny, but I do prefer the Olaplex side. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys are enjoying these new hair videos, please let me know. I will be including much more hair content on this channel and focusing more on hair, because that's kind of where I started, and I think I am missing out on sharing more hair content. I love lifestyle videos. It's what I kind of prefer to film. but I know that hair videos are important, and I want to be, you know, sharing what I do to my hair on my hair care journey with you guys. So I will be including so many more hair videos. I still will include my lifestyle videos, like my favorites and my hauls and stuff like that, sprinkled in, but I will definitely be focusing more on hair videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and that notification bell button. I would love to see you back here in my next video. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think down below in a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.